Hey yo, came cho guys, welcome back to my channel. Greetings for New Year and also wishing you all a wonderful and a blissful year ahead. I hope you all had fun and exciting New Year's Eve, and let us all stay calm and positive this year because it's so much required. So 2 days ago I went to Bandra for my teeth whitening session. It was a long overdue, and generally these dentists and stuff scare me, but it was a good experience. Now let me share something personal about myself, and that is I enjoy street shopping a lot, and I feel you can get your hands on the best and budget friendly garments. But yes, you should have the eye for it and should be able to spot it to get those eye-boggling pieces which are also so versatile. And I have been street shopping from a very long time. मतलब इतना time हो गया कि shopkeepers also know me. मतलब they are so welcoming. They be like कि बहुत time हो गया आप आए नहीं, which is very sweet. Now coming back to the day, let me tell you all, Hill Road is heaven sometimes. I mean, it was not so planned for me to shop. I thought I'll just stroll around and have a little look here and there, but no. I ended up shopping from afternoon till night 10 p.m. and I was dead tired by the end of the day, but it was all worth it. Let me just give you all a quick overview. Hill Road is a huge market. It's like a whole lane with sections of shop in it. So the starting point is the shops behind Bata showroom. According to me, you can explore and you will get best varieties of lingerie, bralettes, basically all in a garments, and also bags, heavy embroidered tops, dresses, etc. And at what prices, guys? It's unbelievable. I was totally starstruck. The main thing is that you have to be really good at bargaining. Girl, just don't give up. And if you buy pieces in bulk, you might get a better, good, decent discount. Also, if you want to see a vlog on how I bargain and you want some tips, you can let me know because I think I do it well. Coming back to the streets, now there's this D Villa. Uske piche ke shops are heaven, and hands down you'll get crazy stuff from here. Must check out. This lane is my personal favorite. I have always got very versatile pieces from here. Also, let me just tell you one experience. We were just looking around and a shopkeeper called out